Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Pat Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the support in the last video. I really appreciate the likes, views, comments, thumbs ups. Really appreciate the support. So today I'm going to do a bit of a how-to, or how I make the butterflies on the bug catcher hood scoops. So the hood scoops I'm talking about are these. That'll come into, guess it's not going to come into focus, but anyways, I'll get you turned around. We'll have a little closer look at this, how I do it, and shouldn't be too long. I'm not going to do the full how the finished product. I've still got to get paint on this scoop, but I do have one that I've finished previously. I'll show you that one, and I'll just show you how I make the butterflies. Pretty simple. But yeah, if you ever want to give this a try, by all means, let me know what you think. If you've ever done anything like this, how you've done it, yeah, let me know. All right, let's get turned around. Okay, so what I'm going to show you, so here's the butterflies, a shot of where the butterflies would go. This one doesn't have the molded in butterflies there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the butterflies. So first thing we need to do is make something for the butterflies to sit on, to glue to. So what I've done previously already is I've drilled right in behind here, both sides. So this goes all the way through. And then I've made cut a piece of wire that fits right through. Like so. Okay. So to cut the circles, I've got this leather punch. Now when you pick one of these up, it's going to come with different sizes, different punches. So you just find the size that fits to the hole. Might be a little bit smaller, but that's okay. So you fit that in like so. Get something hard to press, and you can use a different number of things. I've got this 0.01 thickness styrene sheet or embossing foil. If you've never used this stuff is, I use this stuff quite often. It cuts really easy, it's pliable, very durable. You can shine it up, you can do all sorts of stuff with this. It's really cool stuff. So it's just as simple as setting this down, making sure you're not moving, and just kind of go in a circular motion to make the cut. And then you have the circle there. You've got to pull this out, or sorry, screw this off, poke your needle or whatever you want to use to get that out. And then we have there a perfect circle. So you do this 3 times because we need 3 butterflies. Really simple, really easy. As long as you got the right tools. So you got to be careful pushing these out because, like I said, this stuff is very pliable. Okay, so there I have 3. Let's get this out. Now I've also cut 3 out of this 0.01 styrene sheet, so I've got 3 of these as well. So if I wanted to, I could paint these any color that I want. I actually cut out quite a few. It's nice to have extras just in case they go flying. So my plan was to paint these blue. So that's what I'm doing with this one. So as you can see, we can pick these up. I need my tweezers. Got to be really light when you pick these up because the embossing foil will disfigure. So obviously you'd put your glue. This one already bent a little bit. So if it does bend on you, all you gotta do is just flatten it out. Real easy. And then there you have. No, that one went in a little bit crooked. See that? That one doesn't want to sit the way the other one is. There we go. And here's the styrene one. Just give you an example. So that's that. And you can glue these in however you want them to sit. If you want them to be slightly open, like so. It looks pretty cool. Just gotta try and get them all even is the challenging part. So I think that improves the look quite a bit, rather than just having the open holes. And that's all it is. So I'll just quickly lift this up a little bit, show you this one I've already done previously, so you can see the embossing right there, and that's how that looks. So hopefully this will help you in any kind of butterflies that you got to make for a scoop. Um, like I said, the leather punch, you can get different sizes. Usually when you order them, I ordered this one off of Amazon. I'm not going to post a link because my Amazon is a Canadian app, so it's not the same as the American. But anyways, leather punch should come with different tips. You can get smaller ones for smaller holes, butterflies, or larger, or whatever. So hopefully this helps you. Hopefully you got something out of it. And thanks for checking out the video. We'll talk to y'all soon. Pat out. Model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.